I'm Erik, the travel guy. Right behind me, that is Carnival Pride. Want to take a look inside? Welcome aboard.
Aptly named to symbolize joy, pleasure, and satisfaction, the Carnival Pride is waiting for you to come on board and experience the trip of a lifetime. Luxurious staterooms and suites, a vast selection of dining options, entertainment, shopping, and fun activities. It's a ship that wows on every level, literally.
Walking through the halls and public spaces on board Carnival Pride, you may be tempted into thinking, well, maybe I'm walking through one of the world's greatest art museums. Not so. That's merely the exquisite Italian Renaissance artwork and dramatic atriums you'll find on board. So take a moment to explore every inch. Oh, did I have time to mention the activities yet? Oh, well, trust me, Carnival Pride is overflowing with enough activities to keep you as busy as you want to be. The Carnival Pride features larger-than-life theaters with shows that will appeal to visitors of all ages. A decadent casino, lively dance clubs, and a restorative spa make up some of the luxurious offerings awaiting you, depending on the kind of cruise experience you're looking for. Some of you may be concerned that you're not going to have fun on board. You're probably right. You should stay home.
There's also a kids area called Camp Ocean, where your children will be supervised and can play and discover with other kids their ages and have the time of their lives. And for those of us adults that may need a little time out, it's okay, we've all been there. There's the adults-only pool area called Serenity. Choosing the perfect stateroom on the Carnival Pride is easy. Depending upon your budget and personal taste, your home away from home will be expertly attended to by Carnival Pride's dedicated cabin attendants.
If you're the type of person that's thinking about and discussing your lunch while you're having breakfast, well, you are my kind of person. And believe me, the culinary staff of Carnival Pride, they're thinking about your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, your snacks, your room service, and they're thinking about it 24/7. So here's what you need to know.
When it comes to dining, the first word that comes to mind is options. Every meal of every day and every snack in between is a symphony for your senses. Some of my favorites include Guy's Burger Joint,
Have some on my ship.
Mermaid's Grill, and Pizza Pirate for a late-night slice. The Normandy Restaurant is where you'll be greeted by your friendly staff and delicious menu options at every meal.
I have two words for you. Zen simplicity. Would that be Zenplicity? I think so. After all, sushi on a cruise ship, it just makes sense. And isn't that what travel's all about? Trying new things, broadening your culinary horizons? Well, Bonsai Sushi is the perfect place for just that.
Steamed edamame, sushi rolls, and sake, and so much more await you on Deck 2. And don't miss David's Steakhouse, where the steaks, chops, and seafood are simply perfect.
So you see, when you step on board Carnival Pride, you'll be embarking on the vacation of a lifetime. I'm Erik, the travel guy. Thank you for watching.